So today we're going to talk about the PFD, a personal flotation device. This is a must for all water activities, and it helps keep you afloat when you get in the water and prevents you from drowning. However, a PFD is not a life jacket, as a life jacket can keep your head upright above water, while a PFD does not. Now let's put on the PFD. Put your arm through the armholes as you can see here. Then there should be a zipper, like a normal jacket, so you can zip it up. And now you can buckle up and tighten the strap. Now make sure the strap is as tight as you can get without preventing you from breathing regularly. To check if the PFD fits you or not, try to lift it. If the collar of the PFD goes above your chin, it's probably too big for you. This is because if it goes above your chin, then if you drop in the water, it'll be likely that it'll go over your head and then you lose your PFD and keep sinking into the depth.